तूफानों से नजरें मिलाओ, सैलाबों पर वार करो। तूफानों से नजरें मिलाओ, सैलाबों पर वार करो। मल्लाहों का चक्कर छोड़ो, खुद तैर कर दरिया पार करो। नमस्कार, मैं कुमार आकाश। आज हम आ पहुंचे हैं NYPS में। जी हाँ दोस्तों, न्यू यशोदा पब्लिक स्कूल, एक ऐसा स्कूल जहां पर हर बच्चे के सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए तमाम कोशिशें की जाती हैं। उनकी भाषा पर पकड़ बनाने की बात हो, उनका पढ़ाई के प्रति लगाव पैदा करने की बात हो, या फिर सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों में उनकी रुचि जगाने की बात हो, हर विद्यार्थी को यहाँ पर तमाम तरह की सुविधाएं तो मिलती ही हैं, साथ ही मिलते हैं ऐसे शिक्षक जो उन्हें देश दुनिया से जुड़ी ऐसी खास बातें बताते हैं जिससे आगे चलकर वो इस देश का एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक बन जाते हैं। वैसे तो इस स्कूल की खास बात यह है कि यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट की अंग्रेज़ी भाषा पर ख़ास ध्यान दिया जाता है, उन्हें इसी भाषा में बातचीत के लिए प्रेरित किया जाता है। लेकिन इसकी ख़ास बात यह भी है कि यहाँ पर हर विद्यार्थी को एक ऐसा माहौल मिलता है जिस माहौल में रहकर खुद को ढालकर अच्छी शिक्षा को पाकर वो आगे चलकर सिर्फ इस स्कूल का ही नहीं बल्कि अपने माता पिता का भी नाम रोशन करता है। इस स्कूल की खासियत ये भी है कि यहाँ पर 100% परिणाम आते हैं। रिजल्ट को लेकर खासा ध्यान दिया जाता है, साथ ही एक स्टूडेंट क्या कहता है और किस तरह से सकारात्मक सोच रख सकता है उस पर भी खास ध्यान दिया जाता है। अब आपको मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि 9th और 10th क्लास के बाद में ही हर विद्यार्थी ये सोचता है कि उसे कौन से सब्जेक्ट को चूज़ करना होगा, किस लाइन को पकड़ना होगा। तो ऐसे में आप चाहे कॉमर्स लेना चाहें, आर्ट्स, मेडिकल, नॉन मेडिकल, उससे जुड़े भी जितने भी प्रश्न होते हैं एक स्टूडेंट के, उनका खास उत्तर दिया जाता है और उसके लिए खास काउंसलिंग सेशन भी रखा जाता है जिसमें माता पिता को भी बुलाया जाता है। इसके अलावा अगर यहाँ की इमारत की बात की जाए तो अच्छे हवादार इमारत है जहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स बैठकर बहुत ही आसानी से अच्छी कंडीशन में बैठकर पढ़ाई करते हैं। यहाँ पर जो मैदान है, खेलने के लिए जो प्लेग्राउंड है, वो भी बेहद कमाल के हैं जहाँ पर रहकर स्टूडेंट्स खेलते हैं, कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ में हिस्सा लेते हैं और इस तरह से एक स्टूडेंट बनता है एक बेहतर स्टूडेंट्स। यहाँ के अगर टीचर्स की बात की जाए तो उनका जो बिहेवियर है वो बहुत ही शांत है, बहुत ही अच्छा है। हर स्टूडेंट पर अलग से प्रॉपर फोकस किया जाता है, पूरा ध्यान दिया जाता है। तो देर ना करते हुए दोस्तों, अब हम चलते हैं अंदर और इस स्कूल के बारे में और भी ज़्यादा जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि और यहाँ पर ऐसा क्या कुछ ख़ास है जिसे जानकर और जिसे समझकर एक स्टूडेंट और बेहतर इंसान बन सकता है। तो देर ना करते हुए तो दोस्तों अब बढ़ते हैं आगे और इस स्कूल के बारे में और गहराई से जानने की कोशिश करते हैं। आइए। हेलो मैम।
हेलो सर।
रेनू मैम हमारे साथ में हैं, मैडम जिन्होंने इस स्कूल के तमाम फेजेस को अपनी नज़र से देखा, कई तरह के दौर से गुजरते हुए NYPS आज इस मुकाम तक आ पहुंचा है कि आज हम उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। तो चलिए मैडम से गहराई से समझते हैं। मैम, इस स्कूल के बारे में आपसे जानना चाहेंगे। आपने देखा है कि काफ़ी सारे दौर से ये स्कूल गुजरा है, तब में और अब में कितना अंतर आप पाती हैं?
Here I would like to say that as New Yashoda Public School, that is one of the famous schools of Hisar. So if we went back to the history of the school, it has a very rich legacy because the founder Miss Yashoda Mathur, who was born on 13th Feb 1925, she was very passionate and dedicated towards education and she got bachelor degree from Lahore. But back of the mind, she was thinking only about education, that how could I give education to Hisar citizens, girls especially, because you know well that during that period girls were not allowed to get education. So she had one passion, this one goal, and she started working. She started giving education to, started with 4 students, and later with the contribution of her younger sister Miss Subhag Mathur, both they devoted their entire life for education and they had set up 4 schools here. Everyone knows this. So as she was fully devoted, and we know that how rock-like determination she had, and she established this New Yashoda Public School in 1986. And all the famous figures of Hisar, if you talk about them, they got education from this school only, and they are leading very successful life in various fields here. So, and when, as we know that as the person reaches to the old age, somewhere they feel very helpless. So, during that period, little downfall of this school came because many good schools were also established simultaneously. But you know well that most of the New Shoda Public Schools team and all leaders, they worked together, and now it's really very a great news for us that under the leadership of Dr. Jagminder Singh, who is the new leader of this school, our school is reaching towards the great heights in each and every perspective of life, in each and every sphere of life. If we talk about co-scholastic, scholastic areas, so he believes in the holistic development of a child. So really, I am feeling very privileged here that from 1986, this school has started its journey, and very ups and downs it has faced, but ultimately we got a very right and very capable leader, and we are working with him, so that we can fulfill the aims and goals whatever he had thought about it.
सो हम जो एडमिशन होने जा रहे हैं उसके बारे में आपसे इंफॉर्मेशन चाहेंगे.
Yes, sir. I want to say here, I want to throw some light here. As parents nowadays, they want that their children, they must be successful in every area. So we are working on that. Scholastic, co-scholastic, holistic development, if we talk about, and we are giving coaching also, coaching and academic both under one roof, and that coaching starts from kindergarten, so that in future children, they can be capable to face the challenges and pass the exams wherever they want to get admission, they can get. And in this perspective, I would like to share that we have started one plan, that is a PDP program in the morning, and the duration is 55 minutes, personality development program, and it covers around 15 activities. It starts with morning assembly, and 15 students daily they participate, so they can enhance their knowledge, they can enhance leadership qualities, confidence, willpower. So all these work in under one roof. So, and we got this privilege that in the entire Hisar, this facility our school is only giving, and how children, they will face and they will prepare GK questions, they will prepare how to face the interviews in the GD programs. So they are preparing, and why? Because they are performing in PDP program daily. So it will be a milestone for children, because near future they will be very much capable to face each kind of situation. They can pass the what you say here, entrance exams, and they can get admission in their many reputed colleges, institutions, universities. So we are minutely working on that.
Yes.
That's the
Now I would like to talk about the cultural activities. I'm feeling very proud to say that I was also a student of this school, so I can easily feel the difference that it has got. Now let's talk about the cultural activities. So any student, it has the most significant area, because the cultural activities makes a student very, a very charming personality and very good personality. How you focus on this area?
That is known as our co-scholastic areas, because we focus on scholastic as well as co-scholastic. As you told that you are also the ex-student of New Shoda Public School. So I am feeling very much glad here that our school that has been divided into 4 houses, and house mistress and other teachers also are there. All educators, they work, collaboration is there, and they work in a team, and time to time we conduct various activities here, and month-wise themes are there. We focus on the hidden talent of children, and they participate, and on Wednesday we have special morning assembly also. So, in co-curricular activities, time to time, special functions, occasions, we also celebrate. And so, like this, we can imbibe good values, inculcate moral values also, how to do our teamwork in under the guidance of educators. So, we are working like a family here. And I have also noticed very good positive changes among students. Earlier, they felt very hesitated in participating speech competition, declamation, and in art and craft activities. But now they are improving themselves, and we noticed also that improvement. And they have a team spirit that my house must score highest marks. So, no doubt that is a very vital role which is playing here. So, we are still doing work.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
Okay, thank you so much.
फ्रेंड्स, आपने जाना कि कितनी शिद्दत से यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाया जाता है और उनकी पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट के लिए भी लगातार कोशिशें की जाती हैं। सिर्फ एजुकेशनल पर्सपेक्टिव पर ही नहीं, बल्कि यहाँ कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ पर भी पूरा ध्यान दिया जाता है ताकि एक स्टूडेंट एक बेहतर स्टूडेंट बन सके और आगे चलकर एक जिम्मेदार देश का नागरिक बन सके। और यही बड़ी वजह है कि आज NYPS में लगातार एडमिशन्स हो रहे हैं। और यहाँ की ख़ास बात यह है कि बदलते वक्त के साथ साथ इस स्कूल ने भी ख़ुद को बदला है। हर तरह की भाषा के ज्ञान पर भी फोकस किया जाता है, हिंदी हो या अंग्रेज़ी हो। तो इस तरह से एक स्टूडेंट को एक बेहतर विद्यार्थी बनाने की जद्दोजहद यहाँ पर साफ नज़र आती है। तो आइए अब बढ़ते हैं आगे और यहाँ की प्रिंसिपल मैडम से करते हैं मुलाकात। सो मैम, सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहेंगे एडमिशन्स के बारे में कि कब एडमिशन कब से शुरू हो रहे हैं और जो पेरेंट्स हैं उन्हें क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे।
See, if I tell you something about admission and about the school, whoever is coming to a school for admission, for their children, they have something in their mind. Many queries are there. Why should I take admission for my kids in particular school? They have a lot of expectations. So normally parents go for 2-3 schools in search of, and finally they come to a conclusion that which school they finally select for their children. Because nowadays all parents are having 1 or 2 children and everybody want to give the best education. So all are in search of the school which can provide best education and to fulfill the dreams of the parents. So if somebody is coming to our school, and the first thing which I ask is that, why did you come to the school? Who has recommended you for the school, for your children? That is my first question, and then they will answer me, and accordingly then I change my question also. So if a parent is coming and asking me, like, what is the speciality of your school? Why should I take admission for my children in your school? So I will say that this school is one of the best school in this locality, and our main focus is on quality in system and excellence in education. So we have a strong management and a team of dedicated, qualified, experienced teachers, those who can deliver the best to the children. And if I tell you about our pre-primary wing, according to new education policy, the early childhood care and education, that is a separate segment. There the classes are from nursery to class 2. We have a separate wing for that segment itself. It is called Sobhag wing. And in the Sobhag wing, all the rooms are completely fully AC and well furnished, and there is a separate washroom restroom for children with a very low seat and very small and very beautiful and attractive wash basin and the soap dispenser and everything. If you parent, any parent wish to see, they can. You know, such a beautiful wing we have for pre-primary kids. And if I talk about senior classes, there also, you know, we completely focus on spoken English. That is one of the main attraction of our school. Our school is fully English medium school. From nursery to plus 2, all students, all teachers, and even our class 4, our PN can also speak in English. So we focus completely in English medium and English spoken in the campus. That is one of the need of the hour also.
Exactly.
Parents also expect that my child is studying in an English medium school and the child should speak in English. So that is one of the dream of the parents, and we make sure that 100% that dream of the parents will be fulfilled in the school.
I have one question that after 10th class,
Yes.
student has to think which side to choose, whether it's commerce, medical, non-medical or arts.
Good
How
question.
to choose?
Yeah, very good question. Even last week we had a counseling session, career counseling session for class 9th, 10th, plus 1 and plus 2. Plus 2 now anyway they are outgoing students. So we started that with the class 9th. It was held on 9th of December. And parents were also invited. And all class 9 students only were invited that day, and all career options. Good counseling session we had provided to the children, and children now all are, you know, well equipped, and they know that which stream they will have to take in plus 2. So this is to be done in class 9th only. You know, that is the right time to, so that the children will prepare themselves for which stream they have to take in plus 2, plus 1 and plus 2. So that part we do, and we did also, and will be doing also.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable time.
Thank you so much.